Hi friends, we are looking now converted file to BIM to converted NWC or AutoCAD file. How can export the file? How can able to the setting arrangement also we can check this Revit file. Now I can open the architecture in my reference in the small architecture for the Revit file. I can able to convert the NWC or Revit model also in architecture, another service of the MEP services also. In whole project or single floor view also able to convert the in Navisworks NWC file. That's why I create this video. See the all video in, don't skip the video. You can able to did this good result for the your own project also. That's why this is the architecture view. First I can convert the this view, add in, go to the external tool Navisworks. I can arrange the setting also. This one whatever it is I can arrange the setting in converted file Navisworks setting. Now I can go to the select the tick mark. I needed this tick mark in, no need the untick the value also. Converted construction part, no need. Convert the element properties, one option, no need, one option needed. That's why I can tick untick. You can read and you can select the untick also. Convert the light line, no need. Convert link CAD format, no need. Convert link files, no need. Simply I can untick this value. After that I can coordinate, shared coordinate, I can put it the export format. Two options is there, export project, entire project. Another one is a current view. Export room geometries untick. Now is properly I can check and set the my setting Navis file. Whatever it is required I can select that. After that I can put it the OK button and create the selected place NWC Navisworks. Save the project. Exporting the file. The same procedure also you can follow and your own project is getting the result for the without error file. Now I can change my background color also. It's a black color. I can give the white background. It's okay. First I can converted my architecture file. Then I can close and open the electrical file for the MEP service. This electrical file first I can open. After that I export the file in the entire project. After that I can do one of the another option for the single floor view. Current project is one option. That option also I can export the file. See the architecture link. I want to remove the architecture. Is two options there. One option manage and Revit link in shown there. is a remove architecture. This procedure, the link removed. Another one option, come to visibility graphics. If you have view template, you can go to the view template. Without view template, visibility graphics, Revit link, simply your untick is automatically is gone in the architecture. See, now without architecture our service only is shown. External tool, select the views. First of all, I can give entire project. Okay, I can save the entire project in electrical, converting the Navisworks file, NWC file. BIM to NWC file format, exporting now. Another one option, go to orient to view, floor selection. Which floor you want to, you can set the floor view. See, one blue rectangular box is a single floor. That means I can select the first floor. Check it, the properties is automatically coming section box. I can untick the section box, automatically shown the entire project. Now I can again set the floor, first floor is automatically set it. Then I can go to the external tool and set the Navisworks setting. Navisworks setting, I click current view only. I can select the current view. I want to write the name in which floor I can select it, first floor. Save the project, automatically coming first floor only services. Why I want to create the first floor? Some of the report needed first floor or entire project, whatever it is. That's why I can convert it in both view. That option also in BIM software we have available. That's why I can did it. After that, I can open the plumbing file. The plumbing file also I can convert the same procedure in NWC file. This fire protection file. fire protection file also I can convert the same procedure or entire project. Now is all file is converted. Now I can go to the another format of converted, export the NWC file. This is another option for the exporting file in NWC file. AutoCAD file also convert in this format: file, export file, CAD format, TWG. Click it and open the box. Drawing export. We want to set the view, current view or selected view. This dot button you can click it. After that you can arrange the same format. You also getting the good result for the your AutoCAD file. You want to select the version also, AutoCAD version, which version you want to, you can select it in directly. After that you can arrange the colors or index color or true color, whatever it is you want to select the option. Unit format, coordination unit, millimeter, I can select the millimeter. Again open and check it the version. After that you can click the OK, go to next, select the file location, then file type, naming, you can check it naming, automatic long or short. I give the longs, specify prefix. I can untick the export view or sheet to link external reference, then I can give the OK. File is coming automatically converted in AutoCAD file. BIM file to AutoCAD file I am converting now. You also do on your own project, possible to convert the NWC and NWC file and AutoCAD file also. You can able to do this way to converting the file. After that I can create one video in Navisworks. How can open the this converting file and how can get the class report also in my another video. You can subscribe my video also, you can check it in, don't skip the video, you can see the full video. You are able to do easily in converting file in BIM, creating view, everything. You also do and check it in your project also. This video see this all file in shown there, that format NWC or AutoCAD, all file is shown there. Subscribe my video, keep and watch.